Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone white blank app icons. Let's get started. Are your iPhone app icons appearing white or completely blank? This issue can make your apps difficult to recognize, but there are a few simple things you can try to fix it. First, press and hold an empty area of your home screen until the apps start to move. Now, tap Edit. From the menu, select Customize. Now, change the app icon size to large. This can refresh the home screen and may fix the blank or white icons. If the icons are still blank, the next thing you should check is whether your iPhone needs a software update. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Software Update and check whether a new iOS update is available. If an update is available, install it and wait for your iPhone to finish updating. Once your iPhone has restarted, check your home screen again. The app icons should refresh if the issue was caused by a temporary software glitch. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix the white or blank app icons on your iPhone, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tutorials.